How to remove account from Outlook Mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can remove account from Outlook Mobile. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Outlook in your device. Then navigate to top left corner in your profile icon. Here again navigate to the bottom left corner, tap on the settings icon. On the settings under general, head towards the account option, tap on your account at the top. Once you're on the account page, scroll down a bit and at the very end, there's an option to remove account, tap on remove and it says, removing this account from the application will delete any local data stored in the application. So to confirm it, tap on remove and here tap on remove again, and with that your account will be removed from the Outlook in your mobile device. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.